Hi everyone, it's James from onCourse support here. I just wanted to show you all through our list views so that you can get a refresher on what everything means and what everything does. So this is our basic classes list view. All of our list views pretty much have the same functionality. So all of these icons 95% of the time you will see in all of our other list views as well. So anything that you learn here should be transferable to any of these windows. So let's start off with the different view modes. So at the moment you can see that this is our kind of standard list view mode. So you can see that we've got columns up here. You can sort by column. So at the moment we're sorting by course. You can sort by code if you want. There you go. You can change the size of these columns to make them as big or as small as you'd like, so you can actually fit quite a bit of information on screen. You can also move the columns around. So say if you want to see, the number of enrollments more than you want to see the fee, then you just click and drag the column across and then drop it, and it should stay in place. And then there's also our other view. If you come down here, just down to the bottom right, you'll see the Change Columns Mode button. And that's what lets you change between our list view and this view, which is our 3-column view. And this is more designed around the idea that you might have a number of records that you want to edit at any one time. So this lets you just click through them or arrow through them with the keyboard in a simple way. So next you can see we've got the search bar down the bottom left here, and then we've also got the Find Related button here, which is what you'd use if you want to find any related records to the record that you're highlighting. So if I wanted to find all of the enrollments for this class, I could click this, make sure it's highlighted, and then select all enrollments. The plus button down here is just to create a new record or add a record. This little share button, this little elbow button that looks like the old export icon, this is where you print from and where you generate PDFs and other exports, Excel spreadsheets, that sort of thing. And then of course you've got the cogwheel, which is where you've got all of your other options. Lastly, we've got the tag filters on the left, which will let you filter out all of the data that you're showing on your current selected view. And one thing I did forget to show you on this view also is that you can, in this list mode specifically, if you click this eye icon up here, you can edit which columns you want to see. And this should save so that it will always remember what columns that you prefer to see. And that is the simple refresher of our list views.